We've been led to believe we have seen photos of the Earth from space. The opposite truth is, there are no actual photos and/or real-time, real videos of Earth. Each year, NASA publishes new Earth CGI special effect images, remarkably with the continents drastically changing size and location from year to year. Reasonable expectations suggest oodles of real-time actual videos and selfie photos of planet Earth being available. Again, it's so often what we don't see that's so important to begin finding the truth. If you take the time to look, there's so much more evidence indicating our moon missions were no more than a Hollywood science fiction production. What I found shook the very ground I stand on, and this unprecedented deception is just the tip of the iceberg of revelations to follow. On to the next, extremely cold, Chapter 3. Chapter 3. From the Moon to Antarctica and beyond. So, now feeling disillusioned and betrayed in discovering our moon missions were all staged but shown live on TV network news programs as actually happening, I began to wonder what else might need to be looked at more closely. Knowing very little about Antarctica, I decided to research it. We've been led to believe Antarctica is a massive frozen continent covered in ice, located at the very bottom of our planet Earth, of no real interest except for a few scientific outposts. The opposite truth is the apparent reason we don't hear much about Antarctica is because of its very great interest and cordoned off similar to Area 51. My research turned up that highly respected explorer Admiral Richard E. Byrd visited Antarctica several times. His last two expeditions were codenamed Operation High Jump in 1946 and Operation Deep Freeze in 1955 and 56, the details of which remain classified. Upon his return in 1956, he happened to do a live television interview, presumably under national security restrictions, and briefly went on to say Antarctica was the last great bastion of untouched natural resources, such as coal, oil, and other valuable elements. He indicated they had discovered a 10,000-foot-high mountain range as well as unexplored land beyond the South Pole, not covered by ice, the size of North America. These discoveries were quite astonishing.